Have you ever imagined that travel and luxury could go hand in hand? A world where your destination is also your home? Introducing a motorhome that isn't just a vehicle, but a palace on wheels. Let's step inside and explore a new dimension of travel. First, let's take a look at its state-of-the-art kitchen. Here, you'll find gleaming marble countertops and top-of-the-line appliances, all seamlessly integrated into beautiful walnut cabinetry. And just look at the view from this large window. It turns cooking into a truly memorable experience. After a long day of travel, find your sanctuary in this master bedroom. Its plush, king-size bed promises to melt away all your fatigue. The room's slide-out walls create an incredibly spacious and airy atmosphere. And watching the forest at night through these panoramic windows is nothing short of a dream. Now, let's move to the washroom, which rivals a five-star hotel spa. It features a glass-enclosed rain shower, a modern floating vanity, and floor-to-ceiling imported marble. The skylight above bathes the space in natural light, making it feel even more serene and luxurious. And now for the crown jewel of this motorhome, its stunning swimming pool. To relax here, enjoying the breathtaking scenery is an experience that words can't fully describe. It's the perfect spot to spend an evening with friends and family. For your meals, an elegant dining area awaits. This formal dining table is perfectly set for 6. The experience of dining here while overlooking a serene lake through the picture window is simply unmatched. The modern chandelier above adds the final touch of sophistication to the ambiance. This isn't just a motorhome, it's an unparalleled blend of freedom, comfort, and luxury. A companion that gives you the feeling of home no matter where you are in the world. Thank you for joining us on this incredible tour.